Hello everyone! Today I want to share with you a real experience about a supplement that's been helping many men regain strength, vitality, and performance. Stallion X. If you've been feeling tired, low on energy, and want to take back control of your intimate life with more stamina, stay with me until the end. I have important information and a warning you need to know. First and foremost, a fundamental warning. Stallion X should only be purchased on the manufacturer's official website. Avoid counterfeits and scams. To help, I left the trusted link in the description and also in the first comment. But what exactly is Stallion X? They are tasty gummies with a natural formula that works from the inside out, promoting safe and effective results. The product is GMP certified, ensuring it is made according to the strictest quality standards. Its composition includes powerful ingredients such as Peruvian maca, Tribulus terrestris, and ginseng, which together promote stronger erections, increased libido, more energy, and intensified pleasure. Beyond that, Stallion X helps improve overall blood circulation, which supports cardiovascular health and stamina. It also aids in reducing fatigue and boosting mental clarity, helping you feel sharper and more focused throughout the day. Many users report enhanced mood and reduced stress, contributing to a better quality of life. Additionally, you may notice greater sensitivity, easier maintenance of erections, and even increased volume. If you want to regain the confidence and vigor you had before, Stallion X is the right choice. Enjoy unforgettable nights, full of passion and true connection with your partner. Rediscover your best self and feel revitalized. How to use. It's simple. Just chew 2 gummies a day. Easy to add to your routine. It doesn't interfere with other treatments and can be taken at any time you prefer. The best part is the product comes with a full satisfaction guarantee. If it doesn't work for you, they refund your money, no questions asked. If you're looking to improve your sex life and well-being naturally, Stallion X might be the answer. But don't forget, guarantee the original product, purchased only on the official website. The safe link is right below in the description and the first comment. Invest in yourself, regain your energy, and live a new phase with more confidence and power. Success on this new journey.